Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue. Underneath here is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior and interior look. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package. Just gonna give you a burl walnut trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. This E-Class has 97,282 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.